Hi all. We're gonna do lab 1. If you remember, at the end of the last video we went over lab 1, and that was create a program that displays a menu in the DOS prompt. Use cout to display the menu. The menu should display an opening screen for calculator. Develop your own menu. It should look something like this. So how would we go about doing that? First, we'll go to C:, here. And inside here, I've got a C++ folder. I'm just going to create a shortcut to that on my desktop, just to make it easier to get to. And I got here is the lab answer. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in here. And then, instead of starting from scratch, what we can do is pick one of these examples and start with that. So they're all about the same. So we'll go ahead and use this one. I'm just going to copy that into here. And then we'll put that in this folder. Okay, so let's see here. No spaces. It makes it easier to navigate to. Okay, we'll start up the DOS prompt. And we'll go into that folder. That's just a fancy way to go back 2 folders. See, this is a folder and this is a folder. So that brought us back to C:. Now we cd change directory into the C++ folder. Then we'll cd into the 005 folder. I just hit the tab key and that recognizes the rest of the folder name. Okay, we can do a dir to make sure the files are in there. Here's our ACPP. And let's compile it just to make sure everything's working. Okay, and then we'll run it. And everything seems to be working. So this is the file that we're going to edit. And just to save some typing, I'll go back to lab 1. And let's just copy this here. And I'll paste that in. Now we've got to add some couts. So we'll go cout. And we just paste a bunch of these in here. Got to add some quotes. See, we don't need this one. This is a calc. This is a calc. And let's see, if we just save this, we can come back and compile it. Nope, got an error here. So let's see here, line 9. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay. It should have gave us an error here. What, 1, 2, 3. Let's see here. Okay, so it worked, and then we can run it. And you can see everything's on one line though. Okay, so now we need to add some new lines. So there's different ways we can do that. I'll just throw in \ns here. Okay, so let's save it, and we'll compile it. No errors. We'll run it. Everything seems to work. And then we can pretty things up a little bit, like from here to here, we can put in a double space. Okay, so that's all there really is to it. So as we move through the other videos, we'll add on to this, so it works like a regular calculator. Okay, see ya. Bye.